Welcome back to my channel USA Cars Detail. The 2025 Indian Scout Bobber is here, and it brings back the raw, stripped-down style that riders love, but with a fresh edge that makes it feel more modern than ever. At first glance, the classic bobber silhouette is intact: low stance, chopped fenders, bar-end mirrors, and that aggressive attitude. But look a little closer and you'll see some subtle refinements that really elevate the experience this year. Under the tank, you're still getting that iconic liquid-cooled V-twin engine, now upgraded to a 1,250 cubic centimeters power plant. It's got more torque in the low end and a slightly refined throttle response that makes it smoother in city riding while still packing a punch when you twist the wrist on the open road. Whether you're launching from a stoplight or cruising at highway speeds, the new Scout Bobber feels tight, responsive, and totally in control. The suspension has also seen a solid upgrade. Indian has finally responded to feedback about the previous models feeling a bit too stiff, especially for longer rides. The 2025 model gets a retuned rear suspension that's more forgiving without losing that planted feel. Add to that improved seat cushioning, and this is a bike you can actually spend a few hours on without feeling beat up. Tech-wise, it keeps things minimal, in true bobber fashion, but Indian has snuck in some useful modern touches. There's now a compact digital display that blends nicely into the gauge cluster, nothing flashy, but it gives you what you need: speed, RPM, fuel level, and trip info. You also get optional ride modes this year, which is a first for the Scout line. Standard, rain, and sport modes let you tailor the ride a bit more, especially helpful if you're caught in bad weather or just want to open it up on a weekend ride. Braking has been enhanced too, with dual-channel ABS now standard, offering better control when you need to stop quickly. Combine that with the low center of gravity and this bike inspires confidence even for less experienced riders. Overall, the 2025 Scout Bobber hits a sweet spot, true to its roots with just enough innovation to make it feel fresh. If you're into aggressive styling, solid performance, and modern dependability, this bike should definitely be on your radar.